Is your Infinite Zenith build broken after the latest Diablo 4 update? You're not alone, and we're fixing it immediately! Many players face crippled Zenith build mechanics, but this video provides the exact steps to restore your power. First, verify your game files. This checks for any corrupt data from the update causing your Diablo 4 Zenith build to malfunction. If that doesn't work, the issue often lies in character data, bringing us to method 2, a full skill tree and gear reset. Reallocate skills and re-equip items. This forces the game to reevaluate your setup. Still broken? Temporary game files might be interfering. Method 3. Clear your Diablo 4 game cache. This removes old, conflicting data causing glitches. Finally, if issues persist, update your system. Method 4. Update GPU drivers and confirm Diablo 4 is fully patched. Outdated drivers or incomplete patches create instability. Follow these steps and your Infinite Zenith build will dominate Sanctuary again.